I like the way you cut that meat.
I know how to handle my meat.
Your dad is from Jalisco. He was born in...
Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 16. We're currently in Tulare, in front of AutoZone because my cheating husband did not put oil on the truck. Actually, I'm lying. He was gonna put oil on our truck because we're headed out to the place where I told you we're going, but apparently it vanished from the room. I just think he didn't turn on his x-ray vision on, and that's why he couldn't find it. And I'm trying to figure out everything, you know, like getting everything in the truck, getting Joseph in the truck, that I did not look for it for him. Sorry. So we're in AutoZone in Tulare, and you know you're in Tulare when you smell cow poop. But the good thing is that he brought, oh my gosh, I have him driving. We already know, we already established, I don't like being on the passenger side because I get nauseous. But I have to do my makeup because I woke up late. But anyways, we shall be back. And that's on procrastination right there because he got that sign on that truck about, when did we come back from LA? I wanted to say he got that low oil thing on the ignition about exactly a week ago. And look at him now. Look at him. You better not mess up the truck. He even brought his stool and everything. And Joseph is snoring in the back. Alright guys, so we're doing a little pit stop at Speedway as usual. Tradition, before we hit the Grapevine, we need to stop at Speedway. We get some gas, some drinks. I need a little bit of energy. Swapping seats because I do feel nauseous. And our taquitos. This one's good. This one's a breakfast one. It has egg, sausage, maple. We're also an hour late thanks to my husband. And pumping his damn freaking oil so damn late. Joseph crying because he was tired. I'm tired. That's why I'm drinking some caffeine. I forgot my lipstick. I had to get chapstick. But anyways, we're good and we're headed to the freeway. Guys, we finally made it here and look who's here.
Woo! We're making carnitas.
Yes. We have the caso ready right there. Se está calentando. We have our meat already enjuagada. Can you see? Let me see. Yeah. We have the meat already enjuagada right here. And we're waiting on one more person. But I think que viene a gatas or something because todavía no llega.
Eso se tomó la sangría.
Yes.
I'm gonna say manteca or melt manteca. Whatever you want to say. 1, 2, 3. Let's melt the manteca. Aggressive. Hi, cat. Oh my God, this is already too hot.
Let's not start a fire now.
I know, right?
That right there does scare me.
This scares you?
The hot grease. You know, I almost burnt my house once with that.
How?
Probably twice or 3 times.
How?
I let the oil get too hot.
You're like, I'm okay turning the whole tank, but
I let the oil get too hot and se prendió el aceite.
Alright, well, let's start cutting the pieces then.
Guys, our last person finally made it here. I told you she was walking here.
All the way from Fontana.
Yes.
Hi, everybody. I'm Unique.
Hi. So we're about to start making carnitas before the grease burns because we have it on the fire still. Your daughter came here.
Hi.
Look. What is it? Whoa, what is it? You got claws? Did you say thank you? Say thank you.
But look at his lips. They're so cute. They look like human lips. I know. That's what I said. I want to put like red lipstick on her.
A clip with us like trying to like hold her foot back from like stepping on it. We'd be like, no, Unique, and like Unique pops out.
Yeah.
Kind of like that.
I love that. Okay.
Hey, you can't lay there.
Look at his lips.
What the heck? Joseph, what's wrong with the dog? Look at her.
Hey, carnitas!
Got it. Thank God we had to be for that. Did you get Christina though? Okay.
No, pretend like you're gonna drop them on the floor.
Okay, so I'm just gonna like. Should I drop the other ones like that for my husband? let me step these for my husband, or let me give him a rub, or what? Well, and can this be on the floor though?
Yeah, that's a bad carne.
Okay. So we'll just.
Yeah, we opened it and it's.
So we'll run and be like, unique now. We'll kind of like stop her and then we'll try to do it in the back. 2, 3. Unique now!
Let's do it one more time and I'm gonna get
Want to go one more time?
Do you want to go from behind this time? That way you see what angle looks better.
What are you drinking?
Morning coffee.
Morning coffee.
Mimosas. Mimosas.
Oh
yeah, it's hot.
Shot, so I know
together?
it's gonna, yeah, if you guys can as much as
But you're
you
gonna
can.
say.
I can do one.
Okay, yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's seal the meat.
But it's not heavy.
I like the way you cut that meat.
I know how to handle my meat.
Dad is from Jalisco. He was born in.
I said that I'm pretty good at it. I got a lot of practice.
He's so crazy.
Those?
Yeah, but I don't think I'm reaching. We need citrus for carnitas. Oh, look, there's mushrooms. We got some. We went and freshly picked our oranges because that's how your husband likes it.
My husband likes fresh orange. Mandarin,
Yes.
pieces. And orange juice.
We're gonna squeeze some oranges.
It's probably cold.
With the peel. And that'll be smart.
Put it in the microwave. Watery salsa. Sorry guys, I was in a hurry. No, they're just with the chicken in it.
With the meat.
Chicken bone.
What the heck? No, I don't like that like that.
So we got together today at Jenny's house. Jenny is, oh look, and she's doing Vlogmas with me, so make sure you guys check her out. Again.
And that is the secret husband.
That's her secret husband.
Yes, tri-tip is a really good kind of meat, but if you tried making it like
very
in a
lean.
yes.
Yeah. I love that so much. I water. Good try. Good try.
Why do I look like that?
No, we do that again. Don't look crazy.
So I noticed that I forgot to do an outro. We are now home. We got here yesterday like around 2 in the morning. I was so freaking tired. I just went straight to bed and I forgot to do the outro. So that's gonna be it for the vlog. Make sure you follow me. Make sure you hit the follow button, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow me on everything. And that is it, guys. Bye. Oh, my shoulder popped.